Okay, step number 1. I changing here. So
Hello, sir. Hello, sir. Hello. Hello. Sir. Hello. Sir, can you hear me?
mass we have to
Hello.
percentage mass we have to convert into gram mass. So step number 1 I am writing here. Step number 1, C. Step number 1. Percentage mass to gram mass. Gram mass. You know, this is the
Okay.
same. They are saying percentage mass and gram mass both are the same. This is the first one. Now we need to go step number 2. Step number 2. Calculate
Okay.
the mole. Calculate the moles of each element. Moles of each elements. Okay. Each elements. This one is step number 3. You know how to calculate, that is given mass upon atomic mass. You know,
Okay.
atomic mass. If the molecule is there, because elemental form we are taking, if molecule is there, so we can take the molecular form, but it is generally it will be in the atomic form, elemental form. So that is we need to take atomic mass. Is step number 3. Calculate the, you know, here this third step is little bit confusing. You will find that is little bit confusing. What they are saying is step number 3. They are saying divide all the moles with smallest mole, with the smallest mole, with the smallest mole. So whatever you mole you are getting, you need to divide with the smallest mole, so that you least ratio you will get. Step number 4, they are saying, step number 4, if the values are coming in fraction, if the values are coming in fraction, they are saying if the values are coming in fraction, if the values are coming in fraction. So if anything is coming in fraction, then convert. They are saying then convert. In what we have to convert? Convert into whole number. Convert into whole number.
Okay, sir.
This one. And step number 5, write the, what they are saying, write the empirical formula. Then they are saying that is then you can write the empirical formula. Right.
Okay.
This is what the steps that you need to write, and then only we can go for the problems. If you
Okay.
write, then we'll give you the problem. Searching the problem here. Done, done, Arav? Can I erase this one?
Yeah.
So I'll share one question, two question you try to solve with me, and remaining question, that is 10-20 question, I will share you in the form of PDF. So whenever you find the free time, you try to solve out, and okay, whenever you are getting the free time, that time you try to solve.
Okay, sir.
So here, let me find out the easier questions. Yeah, I got the question. I am erasing this one. Here,
Yeah.
question I am writing, they are saying that is an oxide. They are saying an oxide of nitrogen. No, nitrogen oxide is there. An oxide of nitrogen contain, how much it is contain, Arav, if you see, 30.43% of nitrogen. They are saying the molecular weight of compound is 92. Okay, they are saying the molecular weight of compound, not the nitrogen, the molecular weight of compound. This will be used for molecular formula. I will tell you. the molecular weight of compound is 92 unified mass U. Calculate, they are saying calculate its empirical and molecular formula. Calculate its empirical and molecular formula. Empirical and molecular formula. You are not getting late now?
No, it's fine, sir.
Okay, okay. Little bit, it may exceed the little bit time. Arav, an oxide of nitrogen. It means what elements are there? Can you guess which element will be there? An oxide of, if it is the oxide of nitrogen and oxygen. So here, Arav, I am writing elements. So nitrogen is there, Arav, and oxygen. Second column, you see, Arav, what is there? Percentage is how much? Total percent, Arav, always any compound is percent 100%. So out of 100%, 100% is there. So that is, they are talking about nitrogen. Nitrogen, how much is 30.43% is there. So oxygen will be how much? Can you guess? Oxygen will be 100 minus 30.43. So how much will be the oxygen, Arav? Can you guess? How much will be there? 69.57. 69.57%. Yes. So here percentage mass I am writing. Percentage mass. So percentage mass is there nitrogen 30.43. And here is how much is there? 69.57. They are the percentage. Now I told you the percentage mass is always equal to gram mass. So here is it will be, that is in gram, if you are calculating gram. So gram means that is 30.43 gram. And this will become 69.57 gram only. Okay. Little bit initially you will find little difficulty. After that it will be very much easy. Okay, now moles. Moles, you know, this will be the moles means what? Given mass upon molar mass. So given mass, how much is there? 30.43. And molar mass of oxygen, nitrogen, how much molar mass of nitrogen is 14. And here is the number of mole if you are calculating the same way. Given mass upon molar mass. So it is 69.57 and oxygen is 16. Now, if you divide, how much is coming out of? This is coming 2.17. And this is coming 4.35. Now, can you check that is in the next step what we need to do? What is the next step after finding the mole?
Next step, finding mole of, divide all the moles with smallest mole.
So smallest mole. So the see 2.17 is there. This is called, that is lowest ratio. Lowest ratio, why? Because in the empirical formula we go only search lowest ratio. 2.17 divided by 2.17 and 4.35 divided by 2.17. So this will be how much, Arav? That is 2, and this will be 1. 2 and 1. So this is the simple, if you see the empirical formula, simple, this is whole number is coming, whole number. So we need not to convert into the whole number. Already the 1, 2 is there. So nitrogen is how much, Arav? 1, and oxygen is 2. So empirical formula is how much, Arav? Empirical formula
NO2.
NO2. Are you be able to understand this one?
Yeah.
Okay. Arav, they in the question they are asking, that is molecular mass they have given, and they are asking molecular formula too. Molecular formula. So what we can do? Firstly, you write, then I will tell you. Firstly, you write this one, then I will tell you how to do the molecular formula. Can you write?
I've written, yeah. I've written.
Written. Okay, then I'm erasing this one.
Yeah.
It's not getting erased. Yeah. See what I'm going to do. See. N factor. The N factor we have to calculate. N factor means molecular mass, they call upon empirical mass. Molecular mass upon empirical mass. This is called the N factor.
Okay.
It means molecular mass is equal to N factor multiply by empirical mass. Okay.
Yeah.
Now see with the example. See example. Okay. If you are going for empirical molecular formula, they are asking na molecular formula. Better you can write this one in spite of writing this one. Write in the term of molecular formula upon empirical formula. Okay, is equal to empirical formula EF. See example, I'm going. C6H6 is there. This is molecular formula. Okay, and what will be the empirical formula? Can you tell me for this one?
CH.
CH will be there, right? Now,
Yeah.
if we multiply, okay, if we multiply, question is there. If we multiply, if we multiply CH by 6, then what will get? What we will get? Then what we will get? Can you tell me what we will get?
6
Arav.
times 13. 6 times 13.
C6H6 means again molecular formula came now.
Yeah.
Yes or no? If you multiply with the n factor, so what you are going to get? Molecular
Then
formula. Is it?
C6H6. C6H6.
Got,
Okay.
got it?
Yeah.
So n factor we have to find out. N factor for this one. N factor. N factor means one formula is this one. That is molecular formula is equal to molecular formula is equal to what will be there? N factor is equal to empirical formula. Just now we did. That is n factor for here is the 6 is there. N factor in this question, how much is there? This is the 6.
6.
Getting my point?
Yeah.
6. So if you are multiplying, this will molecular formula will come.
So in the
Can
other
you,
one,
can
it
you
was 0.17.
what? Yes, sir.
In the other question, was the n factor 2.17?
No, it will not be in the fraction. It will not be in the decimal. It will be the whole number. It will be the whole number. That I'm telling you. That I'm telling you. One more formula. Firstly, you write down this one.
Okay, I've written.
Written. Okay. Let me rephrase the question. N factor is equal to molecular mass. N factor is equal to molecular mass upon empirical mass. Empirical mass. Empirical mass. Now in the question, n factor I am calculating n factor. According to question, that is how much mass is given? 92. Empirical mass NO2 was there, na? NO2. So how much will come? 92 upon nitrogen is 14, oxygen is 32. So how much will come? 92 divided by 426, 314. So it is going to be 2. Yes, yeah, no?
2. Yeah.
So molecular. Now apply. We are going to apply. Apply means what? N factor is equal to n factor. Second formula we are going. N factor is equal to molecular formula upon empirical formula. So if you cross multiply if you cross multiply this one, so what will come? Empirical formula. No, molecular formula. It will come. Molecular formula is equal to n into empirical formula. So n is 2, empirical formula is NO2. So what will come out of N2O4, nitrogen dioxide, nitrogen dinitrogen tetroxide. Can you understand this one?
Okay, fine. N2O4. Okay, fine. Got it, sir.
Got it?
Yeah.
Okay. Arav, can I give you the questions? Will you try now or should I give you the PDF? You will try later on.
Sir, I'll try later on.
Tell me. Oh. Now tired, na?
Yeah, it's
Okay,
11 o'clock.
very good. Okay, not an issue. I am sharing you. I'm also getting tired because it's too many classes I have taken. So I am sharing you the PDF. You go through the PDF, solve problem I'm giving you. Just you try to find out that whether you are able to solve or not. And the same time, now you check your curriculum syllabus, what topics are there, what topic you want, like that. Also, you try to check that one also. Got it?
Okay, fine. Got it, sir.
Okay, okay. Bye, bye. Take care.
Thank you, sir. You too.
Okay,
Good night.
okay.